Mason, you with me?
Dragovich is fucking with us. We were all fucked and we knew it. And all I could hear was Bowman sobbing. He'd given up. You could fucking blame him.
Bowman!
I'm tired. Just want to end
You
this.
don't mean that, Bowman!
Fuck you, Charlie.
Bowman, don't!
You dead American! Последний шанс. Играй или умирай.
You don't scare me. Communist piece of shit.
Bowman! Bowman! You fucking son of a bitch!
Next.
I'm gonna kill you all!
Don't you touch me!
What? Shit. Fuckers. I'm gonna make them pay.
You! No talk. Play!
What's the plan? I'm thinking.
No talk!
One chance, Mason. We'll take it. Okay.
You can't kill me! You shoot, GI, you shoot! Fuck!
This time, do it.
Im lang!
Ready.
Play.
6 and 8 o'clock.